How to assemble your Paintmaster easel. Step 1. Take the two side base bars and flip them upside down. Then attach the casters to each corner. You can use the provided wrench to tighten. Step 2. Flip the side base bars back over to assemble the base. Line up the telescoping cross supports to the base and slide the back supports onto the smaller telescoping support. Slide the end of the base supports into the base and attach and secure with the M6 screws. Repeat for the large poles and the front cross support for the base. Step 3. Slide the large bottom canvas support onto the large upright poles that you just attached to the base. This needs to be done before putting the top of the easel onto the uprights or from the bottom as you secure the uprights to the base. Step 4. Attach the main cross support for the top of the easel once you have the canvas support on by sliding onto the large uprights and securing with the M6 screws as you did with the base. Step 5. Attach the protection tube for the cord with the mass balance weight slide by inserting the top two tongues on the top of the tube in their spaces and securing with the M6 screw and nut. Attach the bottom of the base with the M6 screw and nut as well. Step 6. Slide the top of the back supports onto the bottom silver supports and again secure with the M6 screw and nut. Repeat for opposite side. Secure the back supports with the black knobs. Step 7. Slide the main center mass onto the easel from the bottom up, making sure that the cord from the cord protection tube is slid behind it on the roller on the back side of the easel. The cord can be squeezed through after, but it can be difficult as there's not much space. Attach the center mass to the back of the canvas support with the screws from the canvas support. Unscrew the bottom of the cord protection tube to free the weights. Then, pull the cord down and insert into the back of the center mast as shown. Step 8. Loosen the knob for the top canvas support and then slide it onto the channel of the center mast. Tighten the knob to secure in place. Step 9. Add the leveling feet by removing the rubber foot on them and then screwing into the base. Add the rubber feet back on once they are through the base. Step 10. Add the pole for storing extra weights onto the base by inserting it into the hole between the two felt pads on the base. Slide the weights onto the pole for storage.